Just place a piece of meat inside the air fryer. An experienced barbecue chef revealed this amazing tip to me. After placing the meat, just set it to 200 degrees and leave it for 5 minutes. Once the time is up, see how it looks. And you can do this with any cut of meat you like. It's so good and pretty easy. Now I flip the piece of meat and leave it for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll grab a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter is what will make the meat incredibly juicy. I'll also add 4 cloves of minced garlic, but you can add as much as you prefer. I'll give it a quick stir and then microwave it for a few seconds until the butter melts. Now let's take the meat out. And look at how it turned out in just 5 minutes in the air fryer. Now let's slice it to finish. And see how it cooked perfectly on the top and bottom in just 10 minutes. Next, I put it back in the air fryer and add our butter and garlic seasoning. If you prefer, you can add salt now. But I like to add it when I'm eating. Now just set it to cook for another 5 minutes. However, if you like your meat well done, you can leave it in for longer. Within 5 minutes, the meat will be medium. Once the time is up, let's take it out and see how it turned out. And now see how amazing it looks. Isn't it mouth-watering? And the smell coming out of it makes anyone crazy to try it. Now let's check if it's cooked to the right level. See, it's perfectly medium. That's just right for me. But as I said, if you prefer it well done, just cook a little longer. And look at how beautiful this meat is. The taste is simply incredible. And the best part is that you can make great meat like this in less than 20 minutes. All of this without smoke, without waiting, and without needing to light the grill. This is one of the best recipes I've ever seen. Now just add a bit of salt and enjoy. I hope you liked it and see you in the next video.